Lynn Cole here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. This is just a simple pre-lightening to prep for a semi-permanent color that will be added. The semi-permanent color being used today is one of the newest colors from Pravana. It is our Chroma Silk Vivids Sangria. And afterwards, my client is going to get a basic trim and silk blowout and be on her way. So, after watching this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. As you see, after getting the client's hair lightened enough to the desired lift I want, I am applying in small increments. You don't want to apply in big chunks and pull down and drag it. You want to apply in small increments, 2 to 3 inches at max, and you want to apply that to dry, clean hair. The reason that you don't want to just grab a brush full of color and then drag it down, because actually as you do the drag down, your saturation won't be as deep and deposited as where you began. So what you see me doing now is parting vertically so I can cover a lot of ground at one time. And I hope you guys are learning tips and tricks when you're watching my videos. And back to the music.